Hey guys, it's Lisa here and welcome to a grocery haul video and meals that I have planned for the week. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So starting here first, this is for school. I lost mine. I don't know what I did with it, so I had to purchase a new one. Here we have some Italian sweet cream creamer. We have a half gallon of reduced fat milk. Got some fresh baked cookies. And then here we have some pink and fruit punch lemonade. These literally sell for $1.17 or $1.77, something like that. And then back there, I have some Lucky Charms cereal. We have one loaf of bread. I just needed a dozen eggs because I still have some left over. And then back there, we have some ramens. My husband loves the ramens with shrimp. He likes to just come and grab one and go sit in the office. And then my daughter likes to eat these in between her classes. Here we have some diced green chiles, and then that's mild green enchilada sauce. This is going to be for a meal later in the week. And then I have some chicken noodle soup. This is my go-to soup. I like to just warm it up and then just have some there while I'm in my office. And then here we have some Velveeta shells and cheese. I have not had these in a long time, so I added it to a meal for this week. Here we have some ranch style beans. These are my go-to beans, and this is also for a meal. And then this is my balsamic vinaigrette. I plan to have salads this week, me and my husband. And then, of course, here is some Greek plain yogurt. This is going to be for my green smoothies. And then this is my go-to tomato sauce. I like this. It's seasoned with spices. I bought 2 of those. We have some croutons here, seasoned croutons as well for our salads. This is a seasoned pack of chicken taco. I am making easy chicken tacos tonight, so I went this route. And then here we have some long grain rice. I needed to restock on that. These are protein bars. I like to pack these in my school bag just to have, since I'm at school for 3 hours early in the morning, so it's my go-to. And then there is some mild cheddar cheese. That's also for a meal. And then, of course, some Hot Pockets for my son and macaroni and cheese, the little cups. This is the H-E-B Flying Sauce mild wing sauce. This is also for a meal. Heavy cream, also for another meal. So there at my H-E-B, they were having samples of fish and shrimp. And I liked the flavor of these two, so I bought them. So I'm going to include these in a meal plan for next week. Here we have just a pack of corn tortillas. I'm actually going to go through this whole pack this week. And then over here we have a pack of strawberries. We have some bananas, and this is for my smoothies. These are carrot sticks. This is also for our salads or for a wrap, whatever we feel like eating. And then we have some lemons. We have some romaine lettuce. Here we have some baby spinach mix. I have some cilantro. I have 2 jalapenos. Here I have 6 avocados. And then I have some Roma tomatoes. And then I have here a big old bag of halos. We have some cobbed corn. This is 3 pieces. This is for a dinner I'm going to be making. And then we have some chicken pot pies. These are really great. I like to make these. You can make them in the oven or in the microwave. I prefer oven. And they taste really great with white rice. So what I do is I empty out the contents and I put it over white rice. Really good, delicious. That was a meal my mom used to make for us. And then, of course, some turkey bacon. We have some deli turkey meat. This right here is going to be for meals. Here we have a boneless pork shoulder for carnitas. And then, of course, always a big pack of chicken breast. I am actually going to get 3 meals out of this. And then here's our chicken wings. This is for a dinner. And then we have some ribs back there. Those are some baby backs. And then I decided to make things a little bit easier on myself. And I finally bought a garlic press. And that's going to be it. And this haul right here is going to cover 6 days this week. It's going to cover breakfast, lunch, and dinners. And also snacks for the kids after school. And then as well for my husband and I. All right, so really quick, this is my meal plan for the week. This is where I like to write it. It's here on my door, in the pantry door. And so here we go. We're going to start with today. Today we're having easy chicken tacos. Tomorrow's Tuesday. We're going to have pork carnita tacos. Wednesday, if I have leftover carnitas, we will be having it again on Wednesday. If not, I will make breakfast. And then Tuesday, we're going to make some enchiladas. And then Friday, we always pick up a pizza from Little Caesars. And I make some wings. I don't have anything planned for Saturday because we will not be here. And then Sunday is going to be that barbecue, but that's the start of the new week, so I have not wrote it down. But this is my meal plan for the week. I hope you guys enjoy and watch and keep an eye out for next week's What's for Dinner video, which will include all these meals. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.